Oh yeah, what up folks, and welcome to Ontario History Vlogs. Thank you very much for tuning in. Today I'll be talking about a historic house here in Ontario that was designed by a famous architect who also designed houses for movie stars. So let's get into it. Without further ado, let the vlog begin. Paul Revere Williams was an architect in the early 1900s who designed over 2,000 buildings. In 1923, he became the first African-American member of the American Institute of Architects, also known as AIA. He practiced mainly in Southern California and designed many buildings and houses in the Hollywood Hills and in the Wilshire District. He also designed houses for celebrities, including Frank Sinatra, Lucille Ball, and Desi Arnaz. His building designs consist of the Beverly Wilshire, a Four Seasons hotel, the Beverly Hills Hotel, the theme building at LAX, the Stanley Mosque Courthouse, Kenneth Hahn Hall of Administration, and the list goes on and on. Now, although a lot of his work lives in LA, Ontario was also a place he admired. In 1925, Williams designed a post office for Ontario, located on Laurel Avenue and Transit Street. Williams came up with the Spanish colonial revival style post office that consists of stucco exterior, tile roof and floors, with decorative ironwork on the windows. Fast forward to 1948, Ontario resident, a local physician and surgeon, Robert Norman Williams, no relation between the two, commissioned Williams to build a contemporary style house. Paul Williams was known for his revival style architecture, but in this case decided to design a house inspired by nature. Williams teamed up with the local architect Don Williamson to help with the design of this house. The shelving was made by Sam Maloof. Once completed, the house was so unique looking, people didn't know what to make of it. They would say to the physician, "When will the pharmacy open?" However, Williams knew the world of architecture and the trend without limitations. Williams saw that mid-century modern was growing in popularity after World War II and designed this extravagant home that would be more accepted in the 1950s. It's a 2,040 square foot house with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. In the 1970s, the house was featured in Forgotten Modern California Houses 1940 to 1970. Robert Williams was the first to live at this house. It's known as the Robert Williams Residence, and very little has changed since 1948. This style of architecture is an unusual design for Ontario, both then and now, but it's an example of the evolution of design within the mind of Paul Williams and the showmanship of Maloof's passion. Combining the two, it only makes sense to have this house designed in such a way.